Hi, this is Aaron with a video tour of the laundry room at 6532 Wilkins or 1405 Severn Street. Sorry about that. So this is the front, 6532 Wilkins, and then around the corner is Severn Street right over there. You can kind of see the sign, Severn, and that's 1405 Severn. And so this is the driveway over here, and the way to access the laundry room, I think if you're on the Severn side, you would go through that door over there. If you're on the Wilkins side, you would just go through here. And let me just, these doors lock behind, so I'll just open it up. And here is the laundry room over here. There's a washer and a dryer, and then pretty wide space over here. And some of the cubbies for storage are right in here. But I just wanted to give folks kind of an opportunity to see the laundry room. And then I think from Wilkins side, you would go through this side, and then the Severn side of the building, you would have to pop outside here and then go through this entrance over here, which I just left open. I just came down here. And then I'll just close this door, and the door locks behind when you close it. And this is apartment B3. So, alrighty. Thanks so much.